Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Xprinter and confirming the battery is above half. This prevents shutdown mid-setup. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and turn on location services if the platform needs it, so device scans work reliably. Open the Xprinter app or the phone's Bluetooth settings to begin pairing. Once done, put the printer into pairing mode, usually a long press on the feed or power button, so your phone can discover it. This step gets you directly to the connection stage. You now select the Xprinter entry in the Bluetooth scan list and confirm pairing. If a PIN appears, try 1234 or 0000 because many models use simple defaults. After pairing, open the app's printer settings to choose the correct paper width, character encoding, and line spacing. Proper settings avoid misprinted characters. Make sure to set the correct Bluetooth serial port on desktop systems. Once configured, send a small test receipt to verify layout. You finish by sending a final test print to validate margins, font clarity, and automatic cutter behavior. Adjust settings and retry until the output matches expectations. If printing fails, power cycle the printer and your phone, then repair to clear stale connections. This fixes most Bluetooth hiccups. Also check the battery level, paper sensor placement, and nearby wireless interference because these cause intermittent issues. One key tip: if pairing still fails, factory reset the printer following the manual, then repeat the pairing sequence step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.